Hi friends! Welcome to Art Class for Little Creative Learners. Studying art is a way for little minds to make connections and encourage creative thinking throughout their lives. Our littlest learners will grow to be our leaders, and through art education, they can build a foundation for innovative thinking that will give us great solutions for our future. In this weekly class, students will embark on a creative journey that will foster a love of art through joyful creation. Little ones will experiment with a variety of art materials and techniques that will exercise their imaginations and spark inquisitive exploration. We will practice important fine motor skills like cutting and drawing that will help to develop the muscles they need throughout their lives. We will focus on thoughtful creation through guided projects. Students will gain confidence as they build their artistic skills, as well as through the encouragement of me and their classmates with the sharing of completed artwork at the end of each class. I love to encourage students to exert their own creative ideas into their artwork so each child feels a sense of ownership for the final piece. I offer encouragement for pushing further in their creative process, and I always praise their successes, however small. As a professional artist for over 20 years and the mom of 4 talented and creative children, I believe that art education is the best way for our youngest learners to grow. I love bringing my passion to little creative learners around the world. I hope to see your little creative learner in class.